Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Mike Watson with Keller Williams Realty. I hope you're all doing well. I have this month's marketing update for October of 2019. So, October went really well. The inventory ended up being 24% lower than in 2018 and just under 8% lower than the previous month. That's a substantial decrease year over year and pretty significant month over month. The number of homes that closed escrow was up 11% from last year and 10% from last month. So that's number of closed units being up 11%. That's a really big deal, especially because in the first quarter we started out 22% lower than we were last year. So we completely recovered the 22% and are now positive 11%. So that's pretty fantastic. October was awesome all the way around. The number of homes that we had go into escrow in October was 33% higher than we did October of last year. So, it was 1% higher than September. Not a big deal, except going into the fourth quarter to have an increase on the number of homes in escrow is pretty significant, but 33% compared to last October, that was amazing. The average sales price was up just over 11% from last year. Again, double digit growth is huge on average sales price, and it was at 338,000. That was the highest sales price we've seen since October of 2011, after the peak of the market, and April of 2006 before the market peaked. So historic high prices all the way back to the peak of the market here. The listing versus selling price ratios are good. We're still hanging around 99.25%. So that's fantastic. And that goes with our supply and demand, right? The number of escrows is up 33%. Our inventory level is down 25%. So the market's doing really well. One interesting fact is that the days on market was up 7.5% for a 45-day average for the market right now. The last thing I want to talk about is interest rates. They went up for the first time this year, and they had a 10-month stretch where they kept dropping, but they went up less than 0.1% in October. But again, that was the first time in 10 months that they had gone up at all. Let's see how that affects us going into the new year. The 10-month decline in interest rates has certainly been a huge impact for the number of homes selling, and hopefully they don't go up too high. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well. If you have any questions, give me a call or text or email, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.